today's video, we're going to talk about long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds are found in many different types of syllables. Today we're going to focus on the syllable that ends in an E, which is called a silent E, or some teachers call it a magic E, or a bossy E. Whatever your child's teacher calls it, the E does the same thing. The E makes the A say its name, and there's one letter in between. So we'll start off reviewing the sounds of the long vowels. Long A says A, so we say A-E, safe A. We do like a little lock code. E-E, Pete E. O-E, home O. I-E, pine I. U-E, rule oo. And U-E, mule U. So the U, the long U, makes two sounds. It says oo and it says U. So let's go over those again. Long A says A. Long E says E. Long I says I. Long O says O. And long U says U or oo. If you have a word that your child is looking at and it looks like this, the A is not going to say A in this word because there's no E at the end. It has a vowel and a consonant, but no E at the end. This A is going to say A. It's going to make it short sound. But when you put the E on the end, it goes from cap to cape. This A is going to say A because it's a vowel, a consonant, and an E. It's called a vowel, consonant, E syllable type. This is called a closed syllable type. When the vowel is closed in by any consonants afterwards, it makes a short sound, the A sound. When you put the E on the end, the A no longer says A and it says A, and this says cape. These are called vowel, consonant, E syllable types. Let's try another one. Let's say we have the word fin. I, n. The I makes the it sound because it's closed in. It's making it short sound. But when I put the E at the end, the E makes the I say its name and it becomes fine. Fine. The E is silent. Whenever the E comes at the end of the English language, he is silent. Okay, he doesn't make a sound at the end of words. So this is fine. The I says I because there's an E. So the E at the end of a word makes the vowel say its name in most words. There's always rule breakers because the English language is just tricky to learn. So let's go over the long vowel sounds again. Long A says A. Long E says E. Long I says I. Long O says O. And long U says U and oo. And those vowels are going to make that sound when there's an E at the end of the word. When it's that vowel, one of our consonant cards, and an E. It's called a vowel, consonant, E syllable type. You can find long vowels in a lot of different syllable types, but in this video, we're just focusing on the vowel, consonant, E. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.